Fun English Friends.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Fun English Friends. Are you ready to make your English listening fun and easy? This is a cozy place where we learn English in a fun, simple, and friendly way. Whether you're a beginner or still growing in your English journey, you're in the right place. Today, we'll also practice shadowing. Before we start, do you know what shadowing means? Let me tell you. Shadowing means listening to a sentence and repeating it right after the speaker, just like an echo. You try to copy the pronunciation, speed, and intonation as closely as you can. It helps you sound more natural when speaking English. How to shadow effectively. First, listen to the audio once. Next, repeat each line until you match the speed and intonation. Then, do it without reading. Focus on sounding natural. Don't worry about being perfect. Just enjoy the practice and keep going. Today's episode is all about one of our favorite things, food. That's right, we'll talk about food, meals, drinks, and how to order in English at restaurants, cafes, fast food places, and even on the phone. Are you hungry to learn? Let's begin. Let's start with the first meal of the day, breakfast. Why is breakfast important? Breakfast gives you energy to start your day. After sleeping all night, your body needs food to wake up your brain and keep you strong. That's why people say breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Let me tell you what people eat for breakfast around the world, especially in English-speaking countries like the US, UK, or Australia. Common breakfast foods: eggs, scrambled, boiled, or fried. Toast, with butter, jam, or peanut butter. Cereal, with milk. Pancakes or waffles with syrup. Fruit, bananas, apples, or berries. Yogurt, coffee, tea, milk, or juice. For example, I usually have a slice of toast with avocado, a boiled egg, and a cup of black coffee. Some people like a sweet breakfast, like pastries or muffins. Others like something salty, like eggs and sausage. What's for lunch? After breakfast, we move on to lunch, usually eaten around 12 or 1 p.m. Lunch gives us the energy to keep going through the afternoon. Common lunch foods: sandwiches, ham, turkey, or cheese, soup with bread, salads with vegetables, chicken or tuna, rice with vegetables or meat, noodles or pasta, fast food like burgers, fries, or fried chicken. In some countries, lunch is the biggest meal of the day. In others, it's something quick and simple. For me, lunch is often a healthy bowl with rice, grilled chicken, and mixed vegetables. You can say, I had pasta for lunch. I ate rice and vegetables. For lunch, I usually eat a sandwich. What's for dinner? Dinner is the meal people eat in the evening, around 6 or 7 p.m. It's often the time when families sit together and talk about their day. Common dinner foods: chicken, beef, or fish, rice, potatoes, or pasta, vegetables, broccoli, carrots, peas, soup and bread, pizza, a small dessert like cake or ice cream. In English, you might hear people say, "We're having roast chicken for dinner." Dinner is ready. Let's eat out tonight. Dinner can be light or heavy depending on your culture or routine. Fruits, vegetables, and desserts. Let's talk about 3 more important things: fruits, vegetables, and desserts. Fruits. Healthy and sweet. Great for snacks or breakfast. Apple, banana, orange, mango, grapes, pineapple. Vegetables. Good for your body. Often cooked for lunch or dinner. Carrot, broccoli, potato, tomato, spinach, corn. Desserts. Sweet foods after meals, but careful, don't eat too much. Cake, ice cream, cookies, donuts, chocolate. Talking about drinks. Now let's learn some drink vocabulary. Hot drinks, coffee, tea, hot chocolate. Cold drinks, water, juice, orange, apple, mango, soda or cola, smoothies, milk. How to ask for drinks in English. Can I have a glass of water, please? I'd like a cup of coffee. Do you have orange juice? How to order food in English. Now let's go into different situations and see how to order food. At a restaurant. Can I see the menu, please? I'd like the grilled chicken with vegetables. Do you have any vegetarian options? Can we get the bill, please? At a fast food place. I'll have a cheeseburger and fries. To eat here or take away. Large or medium? Would you like a drink with that? At a cafe. 1 iced latte, please. Do you have almond milk? Can I get a slice of chocolate cake? On the phone. Hello, I'd like to order food for delivery. I want a large pepperoni pizza and 2 sodas. What's the total? Can I pay by card or cash? Full conversation.
Here is slow conversation between two friends, Sala and Raisha, ordering lunch at a cafe. Listen and try to repeat.
Hi, Raisha. Are you ready for lunch?
Yes, I'm so hungry. This cafe looks nice.
Let's look at the menu.
I think I'll have the chicken sandwich with salad. What about you?
I'll get the tomato soup and some fries. And to drink, maybe an iced tea.
I'll have a mango juice. Let's order.
Hello, what can I get for you?
Hi. I'll have the chicken sandwich with salad and a mango juice.
And I'll take the tomato soup with fries and an iced tea, please.
Got it. Anything else?
That's all. Thank you.
No problem. I'll bring your order soon.
Thanks.
Final practice. Let's repeat some useful phrases. I'd like a coffee and a slice of cake. What's today's special? Do you have vegetarian meals? Can I get this to go? Can I pay with a card? Great job. You did amazing today. We talked about breakfast, lunch, dinner, fruits, drinks, and how to order food in many situations. These are everyday words that can help you in real life. Remember, the more you listen, speak, and practice, the better your English will become. Until next time, enjoy your meal and keep practicing.
Great job practicing with us today. Keep shadowing every day. The more you do it, the more confident and fluent you'll become. If you enjoyed this shadowing practice, I'd love to make more stories like this for you. Just tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new practice session. See you next time, and happy shadowing!